Okay, so I would now go into how you could add or change the icons on a web page, right? So if you're looking to change an icon or add an icon to your web page, it gives a lot of value. The benefits of having icons on your web page is the visitor gets a general idea and it's kind of a quick description of what the subject of or the part of that web page is for. So, for example, here this is an example for Peter's tutoring service, and you can see that you got a hat here for for the scholar's hat and other things like a certificate, badge, that helps. Now, how to do it? It's quite simple here on freewebsitesite.com, because all you got to do is, if you're on your desktop, just click on the icon that you see in the template, right? Now, once you click here, notice here on the left hand side that you get this icon class where it says that you've got a lot of the icons. You can see there are 84 panels, all of them which have got different icons. So if you're looking at, let's say, if you wanted to change this, uh, hat with something else, so you could search for keywords, school, you know, so that could be one. I'm not sure if that applies. Student, not sure. Teacher, okay. So so let's say trending courses, you wanted to change it with that. So all you've got to do is search for it. You can either search it, by typing some keywords, or you could just manually browse and kind of see what fits your particular need of messaging, right? So every pixel counts when it comes to user experience and getting their attention. So you should check and find what is the most engaging icon here. So again, we'll go in back to school. Okay, so we're gonna either put school, but that looks like a building. Let's say teacher. Okay, that might look more like it. So we just clicked on that, and now you can see that icon is already changed, right? Obviously, if you want to do add an icon somewhere, let's say here, you could go and click on the plus button under the element right here, right? And now from the element selection, you can just type icon if it's hard to scroll down, or you could just scroll down like this and then manually find it, right? Here. And once you click that, it has added a section here. You'll have to kind of arrange it so that it is, okay, so it's added inside the div, right? So you would have wanted to add it outside the div, but that's you'll have to position it. The best thing to do here is to just change within the current template. That way you don't have to redesign anything, which can take a little bit more effort and redoing and getting a hang of it, like where you really want it. So here, okay, we got the empty icons here, and then after that, you could just click on these and then select what you want. Let's say book. So we got book, right? Discover more, and just like that, you've got this in here. And what you want to do is, let's say, if you want to change the color of it, then you have to click on the icon, and then you go into the properties in terms of the designing. So you can see the background color is blue, the text color is white here, right? Now, if you wanted to change the color of this icon to something like this, so you could use this dragging color palette, right, where you can easily change. You can move this down if you're looking for a blue or a green or a yellow, and then basically do go ahead and find the right fit. That's something that works for your template, and whatever matches your theme, etc. So that's how you select the icon color. And obviously, if you want to change the foreground, you can change that too. So instead of white as it is, you can change it to another color. And all those options are generally present here under font settings. For the icon, you can change this, like this will change the inside of whatever's inside if it's too small. And so there are a few options. Not everything is going to work for an icon because it's not text, but it is editable through here. So that's pretty much about it. That's the simplest thing you can do to make